I'm going to show you how I style my wavy hair for lots of definition. The first thing I do is double cleanse with the TreLuxe Curl Restore and Renew Gentle Cleansing Rinse. Then I apply the TreLuxe Untie the Knot Nourishing Leave-In Conditioner to detangle and add moisture. This leave-in is glycerin-free and includes botanical ingredients to moisturize and strengthen hair strands. This leave-in smells like cinnamon. It smells absolutely amazing, and it does an amazing job at detangling my very tangly long hair. Once my hair is all detangled, I section off my hair at my temples and I will begin styling. The first styler that I use is the TreLuxe Curl Supreme 4-in-1 Hydrating Cream. This includes botanical ingredients to moisturize and strengthen your hair strands and includes a blend of natural oils and butter to moisturize dry, coarse hair. With all of the TreLuxe products, a little bit really goes a long way, so I recommend starting with just a little bit and slowly working your way up if you need more. So to apply this cream, I just rake it through the length of my hair on both sides. And then I'm going to run my brush through my hair just once to reclump my hair and to distribute that cream. Next, I'm going to use the TreLuxe High Definition Gel to add hold and shine. The tiniest little bit goes a long way with this gel. This tiny little bit that I'm pulling out is all I'm going to use for both sides of my hair. So to apply, I just rub it between my hands really well and then scrunch it in. I also wanted to mention that that squishing sound that you hear is exactly what you want to hear when you're scrunching up your hair. That means your hair is nice and moisturized and is holding enough product. So this next step is where I'm going to add all of that definition. So I'm just going to take each little curl clump and curl it in the direction that it's already wanting to curl. So as you can see, all of these little clumps are going forward. So I'm going to gently twist each little curl clump forward on this side. So if you have a curl clump and you're not sure which way it's wanting to curl on its own, you're just going to take it and kind of jiggle it like this, and it will go one way or another on its own. And then you'll just curl it in that direction that it's going. Once I've finger curled all of those little sections, I'm going to take a little bit more gel and scrunch that in to each side. This is going to just help those curls and waves bounce up. Then I'm just going to repeat those exact same steps with each section of hair, working in small sections. Once I'm done styling, I will plait my hair in a cotton t-shirt for about 15 to 20 minutes and then air dry or diffuse until my hair is totally dry. And here are my finished results. Lots of defined waves and curls, lots of shine, lots of moisture, and very minimal frizz. If you'd like to try TreLuxe for yourself, make sure to use my promo code linked in the description down below to get 25% off the Build Your Own Bundle sale.